Like, look at his hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa Ray period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be doing a wig install / review on this wig that is brought to you by Wignee here. So thank you so much to Wignee for sponsoring today's video. It's greatly appreciated. And if you want to see how I achieved this look coming from this right here, y'all, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so when you open the box just looks like this right here. So the wig is on the top, you guys. Y'all can already tell it's a curly wig. Y'all know how I feel about curly wig. These companies know how I feel about curly wig. So when Wignee said they're going to send me a curly wig, I was like, yeah, of course, period. So yeah, in the box it got a lot of goodies, you guys. So they sent me over a wig cap. They sent me over a paddle brush, which you never can run out of paddle brush. They also sent me some elastic bands, you guys. They also sent me over some lashes. You know what I'm gonna do with these? I'm gonna actually layer these with some other lashes that I have so they can be looking like a little bit fluffy, because I like the fluffy look, so that's good. They also sent me one curling rod. Then the last thing, oh, thank you God, they sent me over some bobby pins, because y'all know I always do like some, like these two twists with my curly hair. So yeah, thank you to Wignee for sending me over this stuff. Like, I greatly appreciate it. Okay, y'all, so y'all can tell like this hair is super jet black and I'm looking a little bit white. I never really worn jet black hair before, but we gonna see. Like, first thing I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna make my part. And y'all can see like this is how the hairline is looking. Also, what I like about this hair is like it's super like snug and it's super soft. Okay, y'all, so I cut the lace before I plucked it, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Okay, y'all, so I went in and I plucked the wig. Yo, let me tell y'all something. This wig was not easy to pluck, baby. I even started my makeup because like I had to redo my makeup. Y'all, this is the next day, by the way. Like, that wig was giving me a headache, you guys. Like, it was so hard to pluck. Like, I ain't had a wig that I've been struggling with ever, actually. But the thing about this hair is like the hairline was super thick and it wasn't natural, but this hair is soft as fuck. Like, literally soft as fuck. Like, I kid y'all not, like soft to the touch. So I just went in, I just went in, you guys, and I put some concealer on my part because I'm about to define my part. If y'all don't know how I define my part yet, is basically I put concealer, and then I use a rat tail comb, and then I black spray so it can look like really sharp and crisp. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna finish my makeup after I'm done like flattening it out, because I want it a little bit more flatter. And I'm not gonna do no baby hairs on this wig, you guys, because as y'all can tell, like I did a really good job of melting it. The lace on this wig was like super good too. Like it was like, I don't know if it's transparent, I have to double check. But yeah, y'all, like this hair looks so good, like so bomb. Like, please. I like how it looks like really natural right now. Okay, y'all, so I just flattened it out. I'm gonna put on my lips and my lashes and some highlight, and then I'm gonna come back on here with the finished product. I'm gonna show y'all how much hair come out in the paddle brush. Like, y'all see that? Literally one strand. But look at this hair, you guys. Like, look at this hair. Okay guys, so this is how the hair is completely dry. And if y'all know me, like, y'all know I like the wet look. So I'm gonna go in with my water and my gel after this. Well, I'm gonna do it on camera anyways, so yeah. Okay y'all, so this is the final product of the wig, you guys. I absolutely loved working with this hair, you guys. It just gave me a run for my money a little bit with the plucking, but other than that, you guys, this wig was super soft and it's super affordable. So if you want the same wig that I'm wearing, make sure to check the description box down below and get the same exact wig. Once again, thank you so much to Wignee for sponsoring today's video. Thank y'all so much again for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye y'all.